Science is the great antidote to the poison of enthusiasm and superstition. So over here, I am welcoming Dr. Abbas Ali Mahadi, Professor and Head, King George Medical University, India. Welcome, sir.
It's a pleasure to join you.
The Center of Excellence in Life Sciences or CELS is organizing All India Article Writing Competition. And CELS serves the worldwide academic communities and contributes to the progress and application of science by delivering superior scientific publications and scientific information solution providers that enable advancement in scientific research. So my first question is, how article writing competition can be favorable for the life sciences domain?
I think this writing competition for especially the scientific writing competition amongst the students is very vital and important, because of late there is a bit less interest of people, or less attraction of people towards science. And if you have such things there, then that inculcates not only an interest in writing and interest in expression, but also it attracts the talent towards science. So I think that is a wonderful initiative, competition, a scientific writing competition, and that is vital and important for improving upon the writing skills. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
To improve upon the writing, to improve upon the writing skills and the expression and the expressive power is improved a lot when you write, and especially if it is a competition, then it is very important and vital that people. So it is very vital and important for development of a brain bank, you can say, for improvement in the writing skills. And because what I have been observing of late, that we don't have that talent there. And what I have seen my students, even my students, that they don't have earlier what used to be there, that when we were the students, we used to write, and our supervisors and mentors, they used to go through the drafts, and hardly there were few corrections, few changes were there. But now when we see that the expression and the writing and the language and the grammar, it's all is lacking there. So if you have such things, I think that will at least inculcate the interest of those who are there in the field, and improve upon.
Absolutely.
As I said earlier, attraction of talent is also there.
Yes. So what is the reason that students should participate in this competition, and what all benefits do they get?
What are the reasons? What you said? I couldn't get the point.
Yes. What is the reason that students should participate in this competition?
Actually, I think there are two reasons to participate in this competition. One is, of course, it's a competition, and it's you are going to be awarded and rewarded for that. So for that, one should compete. One reason can be that. But the other most important thing is that it will help and facilitate in improvement in the writing skills and in the expression power of the students. And that is why I think talent should be attracted towards such a competition. And I think if you propagate it, if it is properly advertised, then people will participate, and they will be getting benefited also out of it, whether they are awarded or not awarded. But at least they will know how to write and how to express the things. And if they can't do it, they can take help from the people. That is also there.
Yes. So what is the present day prerequisite for students and professionals to go forward in the life sciences domain?
Life sciences actually is a very fascinating branch. And as we know that everything revolves around the life, because the scientific knowledge, the fun of it, and the what you say, that the importance of science
Science,
in our
exactly.
day-to-day life, that is very important and vital. And moreover, it is and ways and means for getting employment opportunities also. So it is not only to generate interest. And one thing which I would like to emphasize upon about your last question, that this will uh, make people interested more in science, because if they go and read it in depth, then more attraction is towards, because how life starts. We all know that we all human beings, if you take, we all have started from a single cell. And the fascination is that how that cell divides, multiplies, and organizes into the whole human being. And this human being is having trillions of cells, and they are organized in assembly, which is functioning in a very well coordinated manner. So it is so fascinating. It's
Exactly.
if a person is so, whether it is whatever the life sciences, or whether it is agricultural sciences, life sciences, biological sciences, whatever is there, animal sciences are there. So each is having its own fascination, its own attractions, its own selling points. So I think we are somehow lacking, especially because somehow the interest in a profession, in a subject, is linked with livelihood. So that is why now what is happening, unfortunately, that the talent we are not attracting, especially towards the life sciences. Medical field or engineering, people do go, but attraction is a bit lesser in this area because of paucity of employment opportunities, and we are not getting the best of the best talent. That is unfortunate fact at the moment.
Yes. Yeah. So, in terms of research, how research and research-based publication in life sciences domain can be upgraded using cells-like platforms.
Using
Cells,
using
Center of Life Sciences Excellence.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, no. As far as Center of Life Sciences is concerned, I think this will be a, nucleus which can help and facilitate as a kernel, as a point of contact, which can help and facilitate in helping and in facilitating. Because, as I said, that the expression power we lack. So, if we are interacting with the Center of Excellence in Life Sciences, then at least we can be trained with a manpower which is well prepared for in the skills to write and express in this area. So I think that is very important and vital, and this Center of Excellence is going to play a very important and pivotal role on in a long term, because we lack that. And unfortunately, in our undergraduate and especially in our postgraduate, even in the PhD courses, we don't teach that how to the writing skills. That is not there.
Absolutely.
So that is what is lacking, and that's why the expression power is not there. That's why we lack grammar. There are so many. What I see always, I see that the papers which are submitted to various journals, especially the foreign journals, always one comment comes that language is very poor.
And I think this will be the best platform for the same.
Yeah. That is why I said that this will be the best platform to improve upon, and this competition will also facilitate that at least people will take interest in this, that using this platform of Center for Excellence in Life Sciences, that they can go in for. And I think that you should organize, and we must organize these such programs even at the school levels, so that the talent at the initial stages, those who are, for example, in intermediate or in high school, that talent should be, and they have, in my opinion, much better writing skills. They have much better, better command on English, because we have been seeing for last at least for 20 years, I have been observing there's a declining trend. What I have made a point, I was a vice chancellor at IRA University. There also I made this a point, that whenever I take personally any student for enrollment of PhD who is going to come to me, I always ask him to write a page on any topic, why I want to do research. But just one page.
Exactly.
Because if he can write that much, then at least I'll not be having a headache in correcting his manuscripts, in correcting his thesis, in correcting his even the applications. They don't know how to write an application.
Application,
So I
exactly,
think
sir.
Center for Advanced Research in this is going to play a very important role as a nucleus, and it will help and facilitate development of scientific writing skills. You know that so many agencies are now coming up just because of poor language skills in our country, who are there to help and facilitate in writing of the scientific literature. Because we don't know. Earlier, I have never seen, I've seen the generation who are senior to us. What a writing skill. My father was also a scientist. I always used to see that, I used to marvel that how he writes and how he expresses his, and my mentor, who was there at the university, who was a professor of microbiology at Aligarh, the way he used to write and the way he used to express that things we hardly see now.
Yes.
So I think this Center of Excellence in Life Sciences is going to play a very important role if it works in this direction at the way they are, your people are working at the moment. I think if you do it, it's going to play a very important and significant role in times to come. And it will be a trend setter. It will set a trend, pan-India trend, to have such yeah. So I really salute all people behind it, that the concept behind it and the idea behind it, and it's very vital and important, very vital and important. I think it is the most, you may have got the scientific data which is of world class, but if you can't present it properly, then it is useless.
Exactly, sir. Exactly.
So if you are not expressing yourself properly, if you are not presenting, so that's, I think it's really I appreciate it, and I really that's why I'm there to support in any way. Although I'm a bit involved a lot these days.
Actually, we need your support. Actually, we need your support.
No, I'm there. I'm there. Whatever the positive things, I'm fully 100%. My 100% is there. Because I always encourage and appreciate the things which are there in a positive direction, and this is a positive direction.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. Okay, last but not the least, please provide us with your valuable insights as to how can we improve this venture.
I think, as I've said earlier also, that you have to attract talent and you have to identify talent.
Yes.
So both things are there, and unfortunately, at the level of the masters and bachelors, in this step by step, masters least, bachelors a bit lesser, but at least at the intermediate and high school level, if you start from there, attracting talent, encouraging them to come and join this fraternity, that is a long-term thing. But at the moment, I think what you can do, that you can emphasize upon the importance and the significance of writing skills in scientific communications, and the research scholars who are, I think, in not thousands, in lakhs and lakhs all over India, and those should be attracted, and there should be online platforms also, because this COVID has made us learn a lot, as if we are talking at the moment. So these platforms should also be utilized, and workshops, hands-on workshops, they should be organized in the writing skills to improve upon. I think if you move in the right direction, then sky's the limit in this. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yeah. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your kind words, and definitely this will motivate a lot. And thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Please do encourage your students for.
I've already circulated the flyer, and my best wishes, and my regards to all of you, my salutations to all of you for doing carrying out this venture. And I'm sure that this will have a scintillating effect in times to come. And all my good wishes for your success. All the best.
It was nice talking to you, sir. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.